In a land where stories soar across the skies, one man dared to turn history into flight and dreams into legacy. From the cockpit of the Sri Lanka Air Force, Captain Harsha Koralearachchi began his journey as a military aviator, navigating not only the skies, but a destiny. Beyond the battlefield, he transformed into a master of the skies, a civil aviator, a licensed commercial pilot, and an airline transport pilot theoretical knowledge instructor for both aeroplanes and helicopters, shaping the next generation of pilots in Sri Lanka and Europe. He founded the Ravana Aviation Academy, an institution igniting wings of knowledge, professionalism, and discipline. But he didn't stop at machines. He introduced the spirit of kites to aviation, founding the Ravana Aviation Kite Association, turning ancient play into modern wonder. He gave the world a gift, Nature Ravana, where nature itself became a net of wisdom, a global first in outdoor aviation education.
මගේ හීනෙත් විද්‍යාඥයෙක් වෙන එක. ඉතින් මේ හීනෙට හොඳ තල්ලුවක් සර් මේ ජූනියර් රිසර්චර් ඒ කියන්නේ කනිෂ්ඨ පර්යේෂකයෙක් විදියට සර් මේ දුන්නු හැඳුනුම්පතක් නෙවෙයි. ඒක මගේ ජීවිතේටම වටින ඇත්තටම සම්පතක් කියලා මට කියන්න පුළුවන්.
He turned the pages of forgotten legends into pages of science. Through the Ravana Aviation Research and Development Division, he searches the skies of the past to shape the future. He gave birth to a new discipline, aviation archaeology in Sri Lanka, officially gazetted and protected, forever etched in the nation's intellectual legacy. A master storyteller and national tourist guide since 2019, he revealed secrets of the skies from ancient whispers, blending tradition with technology. Leading the world from Sri Lanka, he rose as the president of the Air Sport Committee of the IFMST, connecting over 40 nations through skies, kites, and unity. As a national and international coordinator of the Valvetiturai Thai Pongal Kite Festival, he bridged heritage with tourism, now globally recognized. For the first time in history, he launched Wings of Ravana, a high-flying celebration of aviation tourism in proud collaboration with Nuwara Eliya Municipal Council. Unleash your creativity at the Ravana Aviation Art Air Show, where your imagination takes flight. From 2014, he sowed the seeds of hands-on aviation through professional kite workshops. In 2019, even the Dutch ambassador flew with his vision. He introduced gravitational science into tourism, discovering one of the world's lowest gravity kite zones right here in Sri Lanka. Through archaeological research, he turned oral tradition into aerospace thought, making the impossible imaginable. Captain Harsha's journey doesn't end in the skies. His final destination is to uplift Sri Lanka as a global hub for aviation tourism.